student, good afternoon. Today I will teach you general characters and classification of mollusca. Phylum Mollusca. The phylum Mollusca included the soft bodied animals characterized by a calcareous shell for protection, a muscular mass known as the foot for locomotion. Foot is the locomotory organs. A fold of skin known as the mantle enclosing several organs, and the lamellate gills for the aquatic respiration. Characteristic of the phylum Mollusca. The mollusca are mainly aquatic in habits and majority of them are sluggish. The body is soft without appendages. Symmetry is bilateral or asymmetrical. The dorsolateral fold of the body wall forms the mantle or pallium, which encloses a space known as the mantle cavity. The mantle secretes the cell. It supports the body and is made up of calcium carbonate. The cell may be external or internal or may be absent. There is a ventral muscular foot which is variously modified to help in locomotion. Respiratory organs are either ctenidia, gills, or pulmonary sacs, lungs, or both. Excretory organs are the kidneys, nephridia. Coelom is very much reduced and is represented by the pericardial space and gonads. Digestive system is well developed with salivary glands and with a large digestive glands. Buccal cavity is provided with a radula which bears teeth. Heart is dorsal with one or two auricles and one ventricles. Blood is colorless. Nervous system chiefly consists of three pairs of ganglia, namely cerebral, pedal, and visceral. Sexes are separate. Development is direct or indirect, and the larvae such as the Veliger, Torpophore, Clostridium occurs. No asexual reproduction. The size of the mollusca is greatly variable. Some of them are minute and less than 1 millimeter in diameter, while some others vary from 1 to 10 inches and may grow to weight or of more than 50 pounds. The largest mollusca is the Architeuthis cephalopod, which grows to a full length of 20 feet with the tentacles longer than the size of the body. The phylum Mollusca is divided into 6 classes. They are as follows. Class 1, Solenogaster, marine elongated and worm-like forms capable of being coiled into a spiral. Foot is absent or represented by a median ridge. Cell is entirely absent, but the mantle contains spicules of calcium carbonate. Ctenidia are absent, but cloacal gills are present. In some forms, digestive glands are not distinct. Solonogaster, class solonogaster. Mouth and anus are at the opposite ends. Nervous system is ladder-like. Example, cytoderma and pneumonia. Class second, Placophora or Loricata or Amphinuria. Marine body is elongated, oval and dorso-ventrally compressed. Cell consists of a row of 8 mid-dorsal plates which overlap one another. Foot is flat, sole-like and is applied throughout the length of the body from the head to the anus. Head is not distinct and has no eyes and tentacles. Mouth and anus are at the opposite ends. Ctenidia are numerous, lying on either side of the body between the mantle and foot. Nervous system is ladder-like with indistinct ganglia. External symmetry is represented by some of the internal organs. Example, chiton. Class 3, Scapopoda. This is a small group of mollusks which are all marine with bilateral symmetry and an elongated and cylindrical cell. Marine elongated worms-like forms. Cell is tubular, slightly curved, longitudinally ribbed and open at both the ends. The oral openings is wider than the other openings. It resembles the tusk of an elephant, hence the name elephant tusk cell. Foot is narrow and cylindrical and is useful burrowing. Foot is narrow and cylindrical and it is used in burrowing. No distinct head and the eyes are absent. Mouth is surrounded by the tentacles. No ctenidia, but the mantle and capsula are respiratory in functions. Vascular system is poorly developed, no distinct heart. Nervous system consists of paired cerebral, pleural, pedal and visceral ganglia. Cerebral ganglia are situated close together. Example, dentalium. Class 4th, Lamellibranchiata. Symmetrical mollusk with both external and internal symmetry and with a body compressed laterally and provided with the two halls. Marine or freshwater forms with laterally compressed body. Cell consists of two lateral walls which are united by a dorsal elastic ligaments. Transverse adductor close the cell. Foot is ventral and wedge shaped or variously modified. Head is poorly developed without tentacles and eyes. A pair of labial pulp are present on either side of the mouth. Radula and salivary glands are absent. Ctenidia are 2 in number. Kidney are 2 in number. Heart is perforated by the rectum and consists of ventricles and 2 auricles. Nervous system consists of a paired cerebral pedal, pleural and visceral ganglia with their connective. The cerebral and pleural ganglia of each side are usually fixed into single cerebral pleural ganglia. Sexes are separate. or unite. Development is indirect. Example: freshwater mussels, Unio, pearl oyster, Mystylus cardium, etc. Class: Gastropoda or univalva. Gastropoda or univalva. The gastropoda are the mollusca characterized by a asymmetrical organization and a single unchambered cell. There is a distinct head provided with eyes and tentacles. The visceral hump exhibits torsion in various degrees and is often coiled. Marine freshwater or terrestrial body is asymmetrical. Cell is spirally coiled, consists of a single piece or it may be absent. Foot is situated behind the head. It is a flat creeping organs usually consist of propodium, mesopodium and metapodium and may be variously modified. Example: Paella, Cypria, Patella, etc. The gastropoda is subdivided into two subclasses by several authors: Streptoneura, Euthneura. Streptoneura and characterized by a complete visceral torsion. The nervous system is folded like a pair of tentacles, mental cavity opening. Last class, Cephalopoda. These are the most highly developed mollusca occurring exclusively in the seas. These are characterized by the anterior displacement of the foot, which focus several long or short arms around the mouth. Marine and free swimming. The main part of the foot is modified into the arms, which surrounded the head, while the remaining foot forms siphon on the ventral surface of the body for the water. Cell may be present or absent. Head is well developed with the large and complex eyes. Mouth is provided with the pair of honey jaws and the radula. Cnidaria and kidneys are either one or two pairs. Majority of them are provided with an ink sac which secretes a dark fluid. This colors the water, making a smoke screen to escape from the enemies. Heart consists of ventricles and two auricles, except nostrils where are the four auricles and bilobes. Nervous system is highly developed and peripheral nerve ganglion, principal nerve ganglion are aggregated around the esophagus. Eyes are well developed and their structure resembles that vertebrate eyes. Okay, thank you. Remaining part we will take in next period.